Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can use an angle grinder to cut a wooden plank. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, the very first thing you should have is the proper protection, because when you use a saw like this that rotates and generates a lot of particles, it's very important that your eyes are covered. So proper glasses are required because you don't want these particles to fall into your eyes. Next, you should have good shoes also, so that your legs are protected. Gloves also. This is my workshop, this is my garage, not my workshop, so I don't have some things here, but I'm going to show you. And it's always good to start practicing with something like cheap material, okay, so that you don't lose a lot of money while on practicing. Now in your actual situation, it's very important to keep the plank steady, because when you use something heavy like angle grinder, it's going to generate a lot of vibration. Okay, grip is the key. If it shakes, definitely that's going to impact your trajectory, as you can see here. Okay, it was cut using a reciprocating saw, and it's not 100% perfect because it lost the trajectory here. So that's why grip is required. So that's why you should have clamps. This is my home, so I don't have it, but yeah, when you do it, actually do it with this. Then a suitable blade is required that you can do. I am using this. This is the brand I am going to use. Okay, so equip it with a suitable blade, turn the battery in and be ready. Okay, now this cover you can take off. You don't actually need it when you are cutting something like this, but I can do with this also. So guys, when you cut it, it's going to be very fine. Okay, so as I said, it should be held at its place, otherwise it may turn away from the trajectory, because I'm using this cover, so that's why I'm going to do like top to bottom, but it can be done without cover like this also. Okay, from sideways also. So I'm going to do more and then I'm going to see you guys. So it has been cut. Okay, of course I lost the trajectory at some places, and some places my hand got disoriented too, because it was not steady at the clamp. But as you see that it has generated a lot of particles. So this was just to practice. I showed you. But yes, if you fix it, if you clamp the plank and then cut it, it's going to be better. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.